Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Samsung 77-inch OLED S84F, one of the Samsung's premium OLED TVs for 2026. It promises the AI-enhanced 4K clarity, immersive sound, and high-end gaming performance, all wrapped in a sleek modern design. But with a premium price tag, is it actually worth it? Stick around to find that out. And if you want to check the latest pricing and the availability of the product, the link is in the description. So, at the heart of the S84F is Samsung's NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor. This chip powers AI upscaling, which enhances the non 4K content to look sharper and more detailed, whether you are streaming HD shows or watching the native 4K movies. The TV actively optimizes the brightness, contrast, and color in the real time. Because this is OLED, you are going to get self-illuminating pixels. That means deep blacks, strong contrast, and precise control over the highlights. The result, a vibrant, lifelike image that really stands out in both dark movie scenes and bright sports broadcasts. Gamers and sports fans will appreciate the 120Hz refresh rate with motion accelerator. Fast action looks smoother, responsive, and free from the noticeable blur or stutter. Whether you are playing on a next-gen console or watching the live sports, the motion handling is a strong point here. Audio is another highlight. The AI-powered virtual 3D sound adapts based on your room and the content. The dialogue stays clear, background effects feel more immersive, and the sound seems to follow the on screen action. While it won't fully replace the dedicated surround system, it's impressive for the built in TV speakers. The color accuracy has also been validated by the Pantone, which is great news if you care about the realistic skin tones and the natural looking images. In the real world usage, the setup is very simple. The smart platform is intuitive and it is going to give you access to the thousands of streaming options, including Samsung TV Plus channels. If you are already in the Samsung's ecosystem, the integration with the smart things and the voice control is also seamless. So if you want the cutting edge AI picture processing, excellent gaming performance, immersive sound, and the premium build quality, the Samsung 77-inch OLED S84F absolutely delivers. It's built for the serious movie lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants a high-end home theater experience. But if you are on a tighter budget, you can find the strong OLED alternatives that sacrifices a few premium extras for a lower price. So again, if you want to check this out, the product link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.